10 Gems of Jalaluddin Rumi. You were born with wings, don't crawl through life. Embrace the winds of destiny and soar. The wound is where the light enters you. Embrace your pain, for it holds the key to your transformation. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself, everything you seek can be found within. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. Do not be satisfied with the stories that come before you. Unfold your own myth. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. Seek the wisdom that will untie your knot. Seek the path that demands your whole being. The garden of the world has no limits, except in your mind.